Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to replace background of an image with a completely different background using person segmentation with the vision framework in native iOS application. So let's get started. So firstly I will just show you, so these are the three images which I will show you the output for, and I have taken one background image as well. So I'll run this application on a real device. You can't test this on a simulator. So just keep an eye on the output. Hopefully the output runs. So here you can see this is the background, and here you can see the background got changed. So I will just show it for a few other images as well, just so that you guys can trust me, it works for wide variety of images. So I'll just have to change the image. So I was using image 2, I'll just change it to image 1, and I have rerun my application. Here you can see this is the first background, and then the background got changed. Similarly I can do it for the third image which I have as well. So here you can see it got changed as well. So hopefully you got the point. So basically first create a native iOS application. I am using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. Then here inside the assets folder I have taken 3 images. Take whatever image you feel like, and I have also taken one background image for the background which I want to change it with. Again name it whatever you feel like. Then inside view controller I have imported vision, as well as I have also imported core image.ci filter built-in. Then I have created this UI image view programmatically. I have just applied some NS layout constraints to it, as well as added the image view to our parent view. Then here we are loading our UI image, so change the name to whatever is your UI image. Okay, and then assign it to our image view. Then I have also loaded this background image. Again change the name to whatever is your background image name. Then I have just using this background thread and starting an asynchronous operation. So here we use this vn generate person segmentation request, quality level and output pixel format change it to whatever you feel like. Then we convert our main image to a CG image. Then we make use of vn image request handler, pass our CG image to it. Then we perform one request, it will go over here. Okay, so this will be called. Okay, then we get the results, and I just get the pixel buffer from it and pass it the pixel buffer to this particular method which we have, and it will give us replace the background image with the new background which we have. And then I'm just assigning it to our image view. Now coming back to this method, now even I am not really good at this, I have just copy pasted this code from the documentation. So firstly we convert our masked buffer to a CI image, and then we also convert our own our original image as well as the background image to a CI image as well. Then we get hold of our mask. I don't really understand all this stuff, so it just scales the mask to match the input image, and this code is for scaling the background to match the input image. Then here we create a blend filter with a red mask, but yeah, change it to whatever you feel like. Then we just get an output image from it, and then we create a CI context. Then we create the CG image and just return the CG image back in case there could be a nil as well. So yeah, be careful, that's why I have added this if let thing. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.